Hello, I saw your question in the email. You're given tangent of alpha's 4/3. We're in the first quadrant. Find the exact value of the following. So I come over here. I don't have it wrote out in exact order, but come over here and draw a picture. So, we're in quadrant 1 here. Alpha is this angle here. Maybe I should label that. That's alpha. So we're in quadrant 1. We know that, that tangent is 4/3, and, tangent is at y over x, and so the y value is 4 and x value is 3. So I need to find the r. R equals square root x squared plus y squared. Put 3 and 4 in, so r is 5. It's the common 3, 4, 5 triangle. And so, cosine of x over r would be 3 over 5. X is 3, and we just found r to be 5. So they want you to find the sine of alpha over 2, and so I just wrote down the identity. We're in quadrant 1, so we just want the positive value. And so I just substitute in, cosine of alpha. Oops, I forgot the alpha here. Let me squeeze alpha in there. Cosine of alpha is x over r 3/5. So I put in 3/5 here. I guess the r's are part of simplifying this. I got a complex fraction. I multiply everything by 5. Multiply it by 5, I get 5. Multiply 3/5 by 5, I get 3. Multiply that by 5, I get 10. 5 minus 3 is 2/10, square root of 2/10 here. Need to rationalize the denominator. Multiply by square root of 10 over 10, that'd be square root of 20. Square root times itself, just a radicand, which is 10. And I need to simplify that. It simplifies 2 square root of 5. And you divide out the common 5, and we get this answer you have here. Similarly, you work out these two just using appropriate identity. Hope this helps.